Good afternoon. This is Todd Horwitz coming here from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And as we continue to track the euro currency, well, we see a little bit of a rally going on, and of course, not a total surprise as we're now looking for obviously resistance levels to work on. But when we look at what's going on, we always talk about the currency wars. We've got a lot of this manipulation going on throughout the different central banks throughout the world, trying to create the best opportunity for themselves. And of course, no different here. It increased exports and so on and so forth. So again, I never got that point of the fact, but that's what is happening. And of course, we have a fight to get down lower than we can. We now see the US dollar stuck in this consolidation range, but the euro is popping. Now it's popping right to a level that we'd like to sell. Remember, we wanted to sell in the 119, 120 level anyways, and that's where we happen to be here. So we'd like to be a seller, but you've got so many problems that create even more reasons that we're going to see selling. As you've got the Eurozone's got all kinds of problems with Germany, with Kelowna, and with the overall Brexit still working out. So that's more reasons to look for lower prices. And of course, when we look at the potential interest rate hike here, that would actually increase the strength of the dollar, pushing down the market, the euro currency. So really what we want to look for is the opportunity to sell resistance. And I think this is a great area to go ahead and take a short position. I cannot see that we can get over 120, 121. So I think a risk-reward model states that selling here is a great opportunity to create tremendous benefit without opening up to a lot of risk. So we'd look to be a seller here, 119, 120, even 121. And as we look from the work to way lower, now again, we're targeting well below 115 first, but then down, actually by the time this is all done, and we don't know how long it'll take, but we would be looking for probably the 105 level, which is where this original breakout came from. So we're looking for the opportunity to sell, and for a lot of reasons. Of course, if there's ever any fear in the equity markets, that would also bring some strength to the dollar, because remember, when there's problems around the globe, people run to the US dollar. So there's a lot of reasons to believe that the euro currency has once again had this little bit of a dead cat bounce, peaked up against resistance, and is a great opportunity to sell. That's the way I see it. This is Todd Horwitz, coming to the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.